Okay, guys, I have Oddball on Skype. I'm pretty sure he's trolling me again with saying that there's a hacker on the server, but I don't know, so let's just go ahead and unmute my mic real quick.
Get away.
Yeah. So, okay, I'm back. I'm
Alright,
back.
good, hurry up.
I know, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Whoa, you're not hurrying, or you're not
I'm
fast
coming,
enough.
it's loading. It's loading.
Yeah, I grabbed all your stuff, don't worry, it's not gonna disappear now. Unless these silverfish come at me.
Dude, are you serious? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm
What's happening?
serious, there's so much silverfish.
I don't
I'm for
believe
sure,
you.
I swear.
I think this is a troll.
Why would this be a troll?
Because you're a jerk. Okay, where are you?
Just TP to me.
Okay, I don't believe you. I'm having a hard time believing you. What the heck? Whoa!
Another trolling video!
What? I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I had this one. I have this one. I was opening the X toy. I have this one. I have this one. You jerk!
Dork, please never like, subscribe.
You are a dork. I was uploading and you're a dork. No, I'm not going to let you finish this. Why do I always fall for these? I don't understand this at all. You're like...
Man. I feel worse is you gotta know when it's serious and when it's not.
Well, you make it pretty convincing, and I'm pretty gullible. But yeah, this is going up. This is gonna go on my channel because I had a feeling.
Right.
Whenever I had to go, I was like, you know, I was doing the intro. So this is definitely going up.
Wait, you did the intro? What were you doing?
That's what I was doing. Whenever I said I had to be right back, because I knew this was going to be a troll, but I still fell for it. Yeah. So, anyways, guys.
Go ahead. Like, subscribe, and more silverfish.
No, are you in creative? I'm gonna de-off you, and you're never gonna be offed again. I promise you this. Yes, guys, share the video, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the commentary, click up. And if you're up for more trolling videos, why am I getting killed? This is over. This is over. We're done. But yeah, so guys, I'm Grandma Mustard, and I am out. Wait, who is this? Who is this? Oh wait, you're a jerk. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I'm Grandma Mustard, and I am out. Goodbye.